everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and CD stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using this beautiful, beautiful kit from Miss and Meow. It is called Golden Light, I think. Sure. Golden Light, yes. And this is one of her older kits that I got. This cannot be found anymore in her shop, but it was just so beautiful, and hopefully one day she'll bring it back again. But yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so this August script is from Paper Trail Plants, and then for the rest of the base, so I did use this window, this deco from the deco add-on. Is it? Maybe, yeah. And then I put it down wrong. So look at that. It stripped my paper. I wanted to put a background behind the open window because yeah, it's the opportunity is there. So yeah, let's put that box behind that window. And now I'm trying to figure out how to fit it in. And it is in transparent or in washi paper, or is this transparent matte? So that's why it was kind of difficult to figure out, okay, I think it should go. So that's why this is how it turned out. The flowers are actually, I feel like the flowers go really well when it went on the pillows of that transparent matte deco. Anyway, so I put down the full boxes, and then I'm going to work with the full boxes, the clouds going through the full boxes. That was my intention for this spread. So along those full boxes, I'll be putting clouds, some of the parachutes, the hot balloons, and yeah, the foiled elements of this one. This is from the add-on of the kit, and yeah, just to have it working around the full box. So I really like the concept of how I did this, because it was the full boxes were working with the deco. Anyways, that was my explanation, and I think I just put down the rest of the this quote box and the rest of the foil accents, and yeah, that is my spread for this. My base spread for this week. All right, so let us start off with Monday. I actually had a massage at the Now, and it was the worst one I ever got, I think. It's like nothing was happening. I mean, like the person doing the massage was just pressing my skin. I'm like, what's happening here? Why is I don't know. Maybe she's tired or what. So yeah, every time I'm going to book a massage now, I have to find out that it's not her on that list. But yeah, that was my Monday, and then it was a rainy day, and you know what, the day got even worse. So I had the worst massage, and then when I got out of the massage place, it started raining so very hard. So I got so wet getting to the car because there was no shade to go under. The car was not too far, but still, that whole walk. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't get under like some place to go, but you know what? Anyways, it was not a good Monday. And then we got some DoorDash from Wingstop to save the day. All right, so Tuesday was the first day of school for my daughter. Wow, that goes by really quick. And that was her first day of fifth grade. And it's still a warm day, so it's nice that you can still go to school in your summer wear. And then we went to get some sushi. My husband and I went to get some sushi at some Rotary restaurant, sushi Rotary restaurant. And this one that I'm covering, oh, okay, so this is the time that my husband was actually going to leave for Vietnam, and we were going to bring him to the airport. So I think we also went to Seafood City for this one. So yeah, you can't see what I'm doing right now because I didn't move my paper upwards. But yeah, here we go. So we're off to the airport because we were dropping him off. Yeah, for something he needed to do in Asia. All right, so on Wednesday, of course, we had a FaceTime with my husband who was on his flight, missed us already. And what else happened today? I did take a nap. Ooh, yeah, okay. So yeah, that was it for Wednesday and this half of the spread. And then for Thursday, we did what happened on Thursday. Another FaceTime, of course, with my husband, who I think was now in Vietnam. And then I was watching Just Like That season. Was it season 2, right? And Just Like That season 2. And yeah, I was so excited to watch this. The one with, what was this? Just Like That. Let me check. Okay, so I remember it now. I was thinking about what was this? The other one with Adam Brody, but it's not. Actually, this is the one of Bradshaw. Carrie Bradshaw. Sex and the City, the continuation. This is the season 3, I believe. And, I just like watching this. I can't even remember anymore what was happening in season 3. It was that long ago. But anyways, I always have a good time watching that series. And then I was able to edit a plan with me that night. Okay, so on Friday, my daughter had her ninja class. And the scripts I've been using for this spread is from Blissful Jayde Design. She does custom scripts, so do check her out. And then I also went on a Target run. And what did I get in Target? So I got some groceries. And of course, look at those beautiful icons. The beautiful icons are from the kit itself because Miss and Meow does such pretty icons. And she now sells these icons on her site. So yeah, use my code Christy15 to save 15% off to get those really beautiful icons. Okay, we got some takeout as well from, oh, again, Potbellies again. So if you've been watching my previous plan with me, you'll know that I've been getting sandwiches from Potbellies. They're so good. And then on Saturday, I spent some time with my bullet journal. Um, yeah, what month would this be? If this was in August, so it would be for my September bullet journal that I was doing this, where I had some time to do this. And then after that, so this is the day that we're gonna go drive to United Center because I got some tickets to Benson Boone, who my daughter really loved. So that's why I'm like, okay, let's go. We got to United Center really early. We parked in there was not a lot of cars yet. We got in line. So good thing we got in line because we were also able to get merch really early and food really early. So it wasn't a problem. We weren't waiting. The only line we waited long for was the one getting in because I think they opened up like 7:15 already. We were there like 5:30, I believe. And then yeah, we were just waiting, and then it was such a good concert. She had so much fun. Benson Boone is so good. His voice and his theatrics, it's so good. Even his costumes and costume chains are so good. So yeah, there were a lot of kids, and I think it started around 9:30 already, or 9 or 9:30, because yeah, there was a opening act, and yeah, but it was a good show. We had a good time. And that was our nice Saturday event. And then on Sunday, I was able to upload a plan with me. I think it was for an April one. Oh my gosh, yes, that delayed. And I was reading this time. What was I reading? I was listening to a Happy Ever After playlist by Abby Jimenez, and yeah, she's one of my favorite authors. But this wasn't as good as her like current books. But yeah, it's still a good read. I still like it. There's still some depth to the books that she writes, even if they're like romance books. So yeah, very nice. And then we got some takeout or Uber Eats from Panera to end the day. So yeah, that is what I have for this week, using this beautiful kit from Mist and Meow, golden light. Yeah, and I think this is rose gold foil. Yes, so this is the wiggle of such beautiful foil goodness. And I will show you the leftovers. Yeah, not much. But yeah, look at that. I still have a lot of paint splatters and some florals, so that's good. And then yeah, this is it. This is the spread. So beautiful. I love it so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.